What is the meaning of repair? The meaning of repair is to restore by replacing a part or putting together what is torn or broken. Let's understand through an example. Repair a shoe. Its second meaning is to restore to a sound or healthy state, renew. Let's understand through an example. Repair his strength. Its another meaning is to make good, compensate for, remedy. Let's understand through an example. Repair a gap in my reading. For more such videos, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for the latest notifications. Thank you.